No official 2026 Bugatti Motorhome exists. Volkner Mobil's Performance S Premium Motorhome's integrated garage fits a Bugatti Chiron. This Bugatti campervan, which fits the Chiron, is Mobil luxury. Engineering, performance, the Volvo or Mercedes-Benz chassis is used. Volvo or Mercedes 454 or 424 horsepower engines. It is 12 meters, 39.37 feet, long 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet, wide and 3.85 meters, 12.6 feet tall. The garage's innovative central garage fits a Bugatti Chiron or similar sports car. Beautiful interior, adding a slide-out section increases living space from 30 to 35 square meters, 323 to 377 square feet. Amenities: full kitchen with induction stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, espresso machine, big bathroom with separate shower, and master suite with elevated island bed. Luxury materials like hand-laid Macassar wood veneers and leather upholstery can be used to modify the interiors. Technology, sustainability. A 2,000-watt solar array and 8-kilowatt generator provide onboard power. Climate control, comfortable multi-zone heating and cooling. 750 to 1,000 liter, 198 to 264 gallon, fresh water tanks. Pricing availability. Base price, €2,035,000, €2.4 million for the motorhome. Bugatti Chiron packages can exceed $7 million, depending on customization and accessories. Pros: unmatched luxury, 5-star hotel comfort in an RV. Integrated supercar garage, brings high-performance cars without trailers. Customization, offers various options for wealthier clients. Cons: high cost limits, market penetration, size and maneuverability, difficulty in parking and navigation owing to large size. Maintenance, petrol, and insurance are more expensive than with regular RVs. No official 2026 Bugatti Motorhome exists, but the Volkner Mobil Performance S is the pinnacle of Mobil luxury and innovation.